Hi, I'm Jodie from Kevala Health. In this video, we're going to do 4 exercises using a resistance band like this, a stretchy band, and work out the whole body. But a great workout for the legs, hips, core, and your arms. So something you can do at home and great for women like me over 50 to complement your other exercises like walking. So it's all standing, it's low impact, it's knee friendly, beginner friendly. So if you've not done any exercises before, please check with your doctor first. And also if you haven't already, subscribe, like and comment. I love hearing from everyone too on my YouTube channel. And also I do teach live stream yoga and Pilates classes you can do at home. And the first 14 days are free. So let's begin with a quick warm up before we use our resistance band. So I've just wrapped my band just around my neck, just like a little scarf, and we're going to do some warm ups without using the band before we get into our 4 exercises. So I'm going to stand sideways. The first warm up is our standing cat-cows. So I'm going to bend my knees, just push back with my hips a little, rest my hands on my thighs a little. I'm going to do the cat first, where we gently do a C shape with our spine, tucking under the tailbone, tucking in the head. This is the exhale. Then inhale, lift my tailbone up, gently arching my back, lift my chest, and just gently look up. Exhale the cat, tuck under my tailbone, squeeze my belly in, looking down. And then inhale, lifting my tailbone up, gently concaving my back, look up. Let's do a couple more. Exhale, cat. Squeezing the belly in. Inhale, cow, back bend. And then exhale, I'm going to stand up and face the center. So just have your feet about hip width apart. We'll do a side stretch. So I'm going to inhale, lift my right arm and go over to your left. So if you do have a tight shoulder, we can bend the right arm. We can put the right hand on the shoulder or just right hand around your sideways chest. So we're leaning over to the side so we can just warm up your back. And then coming back to center, breathe in. Exhale, then inhale, going over to your right. So top arm straight, top arm bent, or just modify top arm. Engage the core a little, so warming up your back. And then come back to center, and we're going to do some hip circles. So put your hands on the hips, maybe go a little bit wider still with the feet, and we're going to push the hips to the side, go back behind you with the hips, and then push the hips to the other side, leaning slightly forwards, push forwards and around, slow and smooth. Focus on your breathing. Now I'm going to reverse my circle, go the other way. So bend your knees. One more big circle, warming up your back, your hips, your knees. And then coming back up, come back in. So let's take the band off, and we're going to put the band around your upper back. So around your upper back, we're going to do a squat with some chest presses. So right under your armpit, I'm going to sort of fold my ends and make my band a little shorter. Bands come in different levels, so you'll know after a couple how strong you want the band or how short. Feet hip width, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see the action of my arms and hips. So when we squat, remember there's a chair behind you. Imagine if there's a chair, and we're going to push back our buttocks in the squat, contract in your belly. So exhale, push back your hips. Take your arms in front, keep your arms lower than your shoulders, hands together in front. And then I'm standing up slowly, taking my arms back out to the sides, bend. Exhale, push your hips back as if you're sitting on a chair, squat, taking your arms in front. Now, if you've got healthy knees, I'll face this way so you can see. Healthy knees, we can squat more. Keep your kneecaps pointing towards your second, third, fourth toes. What we don't want is our knees to go in like this, so we try to avoid the knees going in. Focus on your breathing. Press down the feet evenly. Push back your hips. Squat. Take your arms in front, low if you're stronger. And then come up. Exhale, engage your core, especially squeeze your pelvic floor. Squat and do your chest press. Let's do 4 more. Remember, you can finish, pause after I finish. Put me on pause and you can do more repetitions yourself now that you know what you're doing. 2 more. Remember, watch the knee alignment. Press up through the heels when we come up. 1 more. So this is the squat and the chest press. And come out slowly. We're going to set up for the next one. We're going to put the band under the feet. So I'm just going to get ready now. Pop your band under your feet. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see the action again with my hips and legs. So band down. Feet at least hip width. Hold the band nice and strongly in the hands. Now we're going to do a squat. We're actually going to hold this squat and we're going to do our bent arm row. So lean slightly forwards from the hip as if you're doing that little mini squat. Look down, engage your core. Exhale, I'm going to pull my elbows up towards the sky, drawing lower shoulder blades towards your spine. Deep, slow breathing. Exhale, pull your elbows up towards the sky. Keep your elbows in. Keep our shoulders away from the ears. Exhale, pull up. So working legs, core, and working around your upper back. Okay, I'm going to count down. Keep engaging core. You can squat lower if it's comfortable for you. 5. Choose the resistance with your band. 4. Remember, a shorter band generally is a stronger band. 3. Keep squeezing your belly in and breathe. Look down. 2. 1. And then come up slowly. We'll keep the band under the feet. I'm just going to turn to face you so we can get ready for our 3rd exercise. So just check your legs are maybe a little bit wider than your hips. We're going to give the arms a little bit of a rest with this one. We're going to go back to the squat and then add a side leg lift to work on the side hip muscles and obviously legs and core. So hold the band, choose your resistance, how tight you want the band. I'm going to move into a squat. Push back your hips as if you're sitting on a chair. Squat, come up and take your right leg out. Just start small, side leg lift. Come down, do your squat, come up and then do your side leg lift and then come down. So once you get good with balance, keep your eyes focused. We can go a little higher, hold for a few seconds, come down slowly and squat. Push up through the heels when you come up and squeeze your buttocks. Eyes focus, leg lift to the side, come down, squat, low if you've got good knees, come up and slow side leg lift. Feel the side hip work. Squat, up, and a side leg lift, and down. Now, just pause there for a moment. We're going to get ready for our 4th exercise. So, with this one, we're going to take the feet out wider. We're going to do a wide squat with some arm curls, bicep curls. So just adjust the band on the feet if you need to make it looser or tighter. Turn the feet slightly out, the toes and the knees slightly out. I'm going to change my grip when I hold the ends, like 2 little fists. My thumbs are actually on the top and my thumbs point up. So let's keep the elbows nice and close to your side waist. Now we're going to the squat. We're actually holding the squat. So push back with your hips. Go as low as you feel comfortable. Squeeze the belly, so elbows in, and curl the hands up towards your shoulders, and then come down with your hands. Exhale, curl up. Inhale down. So you choose how low you want to go in the squat. Lower, working your legs and buttocks more, and your core. Curl up. 5. Push back your hips, back and down with your hips. 4. Shoulders back and down. 3. Now I'm feeling it in my thighs. 2. 1. And come up slowly. So just walk feet in. You can take one foot out, other foot out, and just take a couple of deep breaths here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed those 4 exercises with the resistance band. If you have any questions, you can just go to my website and send me an email. And have a great day or a great evening. Bye everyone.